Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create truly beautiful design. To begin, understand that exceptional design is not merely about aesthetics. It is about thoughtful communication and problem solving. It should guide the user effortlessly, making complex interactions feel simple and intuitive. Focus on the core message and ensure every element serves a clear purpose, enhancing the overall experience for everyone who encounters it. This foundational approach is key. To achieve truly beautiful design, master core principles. Balance ensures visual stability, preventing any one part from feeling too heavy or light. Contrast, using differences in size, color, or texture, draws attention and creates excitement. Consistency across all elements, from fonts to spacing, builds trust and familiarity. Finally, a clear hierarchy directs the user's focus, making information digestible and easy to follow. These 4 principles are fundamental. Now, let's discuss practical steps for excellence. Simplify your design by eliminating anything that doesn't add value. Less is often more. Limit your color palette to perhaps 3 to 5 colors for a sophisticated and unified look. Choose 1 or 2 complementary fonts to ensure readability and maintain a consistent visual voice. Meticulous attention to details, like precise alignment and generous negative space, elevates a good design to a truly beautiful one. The journey to beautiful design involves continuous refinement. Actively seek feedback from a diverse group of users. Their insights are invaluable for uncovering blind spots. Be prepared to iterate, making small, incremental changes that can lead to profound improvements. Test your design rigorously across different screen sizes and devices to guarantee a flawless experience for everyone. Embrace a mindset of constant learning and adaptation, as the world of design is always evolving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.